This is Shane from Andy's Plumbing. We're at 1314 Northwest Hoover, running a camera from the vent. We tried to find the clean out for a little bit yesterday. We crawled underneath the house, found, some cracks in the sewer line, main sewer line. Kitchen and washer has been redone. It's not vented correctly. There is no vent actually hooked up to the kitchen or washer line. It's got an S trap, rolling trap, so it's not up to code there. Has a drum trap on the tub. Underneath the house, it's full of water, and we are currently out by the city main, which is across the street. You can see there's a break there. We're gonna go ahead and locate that real quick. So this line was stopped up here and underneath the house. We got it flowing again, so hopefully everything underneath the house dries up. There's definitely multiple issues though. There is water standing underneath the house right now. We did not get to the front section of the house because there was a good amount of sewage water there. Hopefully it'll start draining out a little bit now that we've got it unstopped and flowing. It's so bad that you couldn't even tell that the sewer was backed up. Nothing was leaking visibly underneath the house until we got further off in there and found broken pipe. So we're still locating this spot, and then we'll pull back and show you the rest of the line. We do have the cold side on the tub going right now. You can see we've started pulling back. You've seen some stuff there on the left hand side. It kind of looked like it was starting to collapse and has roots growing in it. This cast iron kind of looks okay here, but that collapsed portion is straight underneath the road there. Looks like we could pipe burst this section because it does seem to have good flow. You can see cast iron pieces were just floating past. This is where we go into PVC, thin wall PVC. And it is settled. You can see I'm hitting the pipe right here with my camera head, so it's settled a good inch. So that's going to keep pull paper backing up right there. You can tell it's thin wall just from the sides. This is, and maybe actually foam core, but this coupling's not pushing it all the way. So it may be foam core PVC. Foam core kind of looks the same as thin wall sometimes. .45 there. Another 45. This is where we go underneath the house. It's cast iron. See all those roots on the right hand side, pretty much all the way around. All cracked underneath here. on the full belly here, full pipe belly. Trying to show you a good break in the line. You can see it, the top of it's cracked here, side of it too, you can really tell that. that'll conclude today's video. Thank you.